Hey guys, welcome to my channel, back with another video. In addition to the multimedia powerhouse that is the new Lenovo Pad Pro, Lenovo unveiled 3 other tablets. The first slate is fairly powerful, though it's still priced pretty aggressively, Pad Pro. The other 2 focus on affordability, but still have a solid spec sheet, is called Pad Plus and simply Lenovo Pad. Lenovo Pad Pro is whole another topic that we'll discuss later. Now we are going to look the slates. Like the Yoga model, the Lenovo Pad Pro 2021 is powered by a most powerful Snapdragon 870 chipset. But the main focus here is the display, an 11.5 OLED panel with 90 Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond response time. Performs will be buttery smooth. Because of the high refresh rate, scrolling through the user interface or web page will feel smooth. Snapdragon 870 would increase the smoothness again. The display is sharper thanks to its 2560 by 1600 pixel resolution with aspect ratio of 16:10, and also covers the wider DCI-P3 color space in 100%. This is in addition to DolbyVision and HDR10 support. It has a typical brightness of 420 nits with peak brightness of 600 nits, and supports DC dimming for a flicker-free experience. You can buy an optional stylus that can sense 4096 levels of pressure. This is more of a work tablet though, so it has a pogo pin connector on the bottom where you can easily snap on the optional keyboard cover that also has a trackpad. The Pad Pro 2021 is quite thin and light, measuring only 5.8 mm and 485 grams. It has an 8600 mAh battery, which is enough for 15 hours of video playback or 8 hours of browsing the web. It supports Quick Charge 3.0 for up to 20 watt of power. Speaking of video, you'll enjoy your movies on 4 JBL speakers, each with a 2.5 cm3 chamber, and each speaker provide 1.5 watt with total output of 6 watt. There is Dolby Atmos support too. The Snapdragon 870 chipset is paired with 6 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 128 GB UFS 3.1 storage. This can be expanded through the microSD slot. Additional features include a USB-C port, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1. The tablet has a dual camera with a 13MP main module, with autofocus, and a 5MP ultra-wide-angle cam with 120 field of view. On the front there is an 8MP selfie camera and an TOF camera for authentication, or you could use the fingerprint reader on the side. The Lenovo Pad Pro 2021 will go on sale in China on May 31st for 2,500 Chinese yuan, that is around $390. The last and the cheaper one is Lenovo Pad 11. This one is similar to the Plus model. It has the same 11 inches LCD with 2000 by 1200 pixel resolution and 4 speakers with Dolby Atmos support. But the output power is only 4 watts instead of 6 watts in the Plus model. The camera setup is the same as well. 13MP on the back, 8MP plus a TOF sensor on the front. The major difference is the Snapdragon 662 chipset in that you only get 4 GB of RAM plus 64 GB storage. At least, there's still a microSD slot, and the pogo pin connector is on board, as is the support for the optional stylus. The battery is the same, 7700 mAh capacity and Quick Charge 3.0 support for up to 20 watts over USB-C. However, wired for only 2.0 speeds. The Wi-Fi is slower. Only version 5 is supported. But the GPS is still on board, as is the IP52 rating. The Lenovo Pad 11 will be available soon at a price of $170. That's it guys. Hope you guys got some information about the device. Please consider to like the video and subs the channel. See you in the next video.